as you said, you know the houses are going to get more expensive in a year, so you go ahead and buy them right now, right? So if everybody starts doing that, the demand's high. So when the price go up immediately.
We'll talk about the supply stuff as well when we talk about the market. Right now, we're just talking about one perspective, consumer perspective, right? The demand. In the next lecture, we talk about supply and then supply and demand together, right? Then we talk about the market. A market is where buyers and sellers interact with each other. Right now, we are just studying with buyers, right? Your question is very nice, but it's a little bit more advanced. I'm going to answer you here. Yes, the price is going to rise immediately, but we have to see the supply as well. If the supply is limited, then price is going to be rising crazily. If the supply is unlimited, then price start rising slowly. We talk about over there, and then the next chapter going to be like the elasticity. Then we talk about how much variation is like that. We talk about over there. Mimi, you understand?
Yeah.
Subhan, Faik, Jacob, Pinyu, Nam.
Yes, sir. Everything is clear. Yes, sir.
David, Isaac. Okay. Now, summary of demand curve is that the demand curve shows what happened to quantity demanded of a price of a good when price.
Yes. So good for me.
Keeping all the variables constant. So when one variable changes, the demand curve shift, right? We talk about the shifts, variable stuff. There are 5 variables. What are those? Income, consumer income, price of related goods, taste, expectation, number of buyers. So if one variable changes, we see a new demand curve. Either increase means shift to the right, decrease means shift to the left. And then price, if the quantity demanded changes and the reason is just price, it means we're talking about movement along the curve. So now guess what? Can you guess? We would be having concept checker so that I know that you understand all. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to read the question and answers. David, Jacob, Subhan, and Mimi.
Just, sir, can you give 1 or 2 minutes to think about it?
Sure. Okay, guys, time's up. So start giving me the answers.
I'm going to guess.
What is the answer? Okay, one by one. So Miria, so some says, let me just write it here. Some say, sorry guys, little glitch over here. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, that's
Okay. So what is the answer?
D. I think it's D.
Some says
I think
D,
it's also D.
D. Pinyo,
B.
Yeah, D.
I'd say B.
I take B.
okay.
I'd say B too.
B.
So most of the answers are A, B, and D. So let's talk about that. The answer is D. So let's talk about the A one. So when the quantity demanded has increased at every price level, it might be because the number of buyers in the market has decreased. We just talk about that. See here, when number of buyers increase, quantity always increase. So A can never be the option. A can never be the option. No option B. When quantity demanded has increased at every price level, income has increased and the good is an inferior good. So what is the definition of inferior good? When my income rises, I start consuming less. So the question says, quantity demanded has increased. It must be a normal good, not an inferior good. So B cannot be the answer. Right? C is the cost incurred by seller. We don't have any clue because we are buyers, we want to buy. We are not here for the costing, how much it costs to the sellers. So C can never be the answer. B part, what did we talk about the complementary goods? If the price has decreased, it causes the other product quantity increase. We call that complementary. So D is the answer. Does everybody understand that or should I repeat one more time?
Clear.
Everyone.
Clear, sir.
All right.
Who says A and B? Please, if you want me to repeat, I will repeat again. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now answer this question. What is the answer?
D.
Very nice. Because this is the only one we didn't talk about there. And what are the 5 factors? 5 variables? Consumer income, price of related goods, taste, expectation, and number of buyers, not the input prices. And now answer this question. An increase in the number of college scholarships issued by private foundation would. We'll talk about that.
D.
B.
C.
Okay. C.
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 Who said D?
I think so also D.
No, I say C.
I'd say C as well.
The answer is, of course, it's C. Because increase in number of scholarships, there's going to be more demand for education. So I demand education if I would be given scholarship. Number of buyers or number of students going to rise. I am in. The others guys, if they got scholarship, increase in the number of buyers, right? So C is the option. You just need to apply different concept in different scenarios. Think about that. Okay, the class is finished. So if you still have some confusion, please do write us in our WeChat group. I encourage all of you guys to participate. If you have questions, just post over there. And I encourage that everyone, if one of you guys, you can answer also, and you can participate in that group. Plus, I would be uploading all this material on YouTube, on YouTube, this video as well. Plus, I would be uploading right now our previous recorded lectures in case if you want to do it right now, if you want to learn that concept. Plus, all the materials and this PPT going to be uploaded on both platforms, WeChat and Blackboard. Okay? Have a very nice day. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes,
Thank
Sir.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Pat.
See
See you
ya.
next week.